Patio Festival, Cabuyao City! Hello Laguna, hello universe! I am Iya Fiona Bueno from the hometown of the original makers of Queso Puti, Santa Cruz! Hello Laguna, hello universe! I am Eloy Sihugud from the Sampaguita capital of the Philippines, city of San Pedro. Hello Laguna, hello universe! I am Franchelle Nazareno, representing the city of Seven Lakes, San Pablo. Hello Laguna, hello universe! I am Thea Marie Tatlonghari, representing the most magical city in the Philippines, Santa Rosa.
Hello Laguna! Hello universe! I am Brenda Laan Carayeg, representing the special science and nature city of the Philippines, Los Baños!
Hello Laguna and hello universe! I am Giant Calbia from the Sikayan Festival, representing Santa Rosa, Laguna! Hello Laguna, hello universe! I am Poliana Martina Badulis Manalo, representing the Little Hollywood of Laguna, Municipality of Magdalena.
Hello Laguna! Hello universe! I'm Natasha Espino from the home of the therapeutic hot springs of Mount Makiling and the home of the Banyamas Festival, Los Baños!
Hello Laguna, hello universe! This is Jessa Krista Yumangu from the historical and one of the fastest growing city in the country, the city of life, Binyan! Hello Laguna, hello universe! I am Valerie Orquiola from the enterprise city of the Philippines, Cabuyao. Hello Laguna, hello universe! I am Maria Alexandra Yeshavit Raya from the gateway of South Luzon, city of San Pedro. Hello Laguna, hello universe! I am Michaela Cassandra Pimari, representing the Lion City of the South, Santa Rosa. Hello Laguna, hello universe! I'm Christian Is Pagkaliwangan from the home of the Coramlan Festival, Anamina! Hello Laguna, hello universe! I am Lourdes Jesfred from the carving capital of the Philippines, Paite! Hello Laguna, hello universe! I am Iya Borio from the Putulatik Festival of the Philippines, Binyan! Hello Laguna, hello universe! My name is Arnold Cruz, representing the research city of Laguna, San Pedro!
For me personally, I joined Miss Universe because I really want to inspire and empower women of all ages that it's never too late to reach for that dream.
I think it is a high time for us to really prove that Laguna can stand to the high standards brought by the society, both nationally and internationally when it comes to pageants. Thank you.
What we can do as a Filipina and also as a Lagunense. Thank you. And fostering a community where everyone can thrive within our beautiful universe.
I am from a small town, Magdalena, but now